Hey everybody, this one's an easy one, you guys, a fast one. So this is finding the probability with means and standard deviations. Okay, so here we go. The standard Olympic distance triathlon is 1.5 kilometer swim, 40 kilometer bike ride, and 10 on the run. So in a random sample of recent competitions, the mean and standard deviation of the participants' times for each event were given in this table right here. Okay, so for the swim, the mean time is 29 minutes. So it says right here in minutes. The bike is 90 and the run is 68. And then the standard deviations are given in 5, 10, and 12 respectively. So assuming the times for the three legs of the race are each normally distributed and independent of each other, what is the probability that a participant, that says participant right there, let me get rid of this box, will compete the triathlon in less than 175 minutes? Okay. All right, let me shrink it up a little bit right here, get some more space. Okay, so by independence, you guys, the means and the variances add. So I'm going to go ahead and add these means, you guys. So when I add them all together, I get 187 minutes. So the mean time is 187 minutes. And then the variance, you guys, remember the variance is your standard deviation squared. So that's what this is right here. So the variance is, I just add these guys up, and you have to do the squareds first. You have to add up their squareds and then square root them, you guys. You can't add them and square them and then square root them. You have to add the squares first. So 5 squared, 10 squared, and 12 squared from these numbers, the standard deviations squared, adds up to 269. So the standard deviation then is the square root of that. So the square root of that is 16.4 minutes. Okay, and do you remember your z-score formula? X bar minus my mu, which is my mu is 187, divided by my standard deviation, which is 16.4. Okay, and it says that is competing in less than. Okay, so here we go. So we're looking for the sums are normally distributed because the individual leg times are normally distributed. So the probability is going to be, our z-score is going to be 175 minus 187. You remember doing this in class? Okay, divided by the standard deviation. So I get this part cranks out to negative 0.7312. Then you go look up on your z-score. Remember, your z-score table always gives me the area shaded to the left, and so this says it's going to the left. So I want my z-score right here shaded to the left, so I get 0.232. Okay, so let's answer the question in the context of the problem. The probability that the participant will compete the triathlon in less than 175 minutes is 0.232. Okay, all right, so if you find that these are helpful, please click like. Take care, everybody.